So this is what inspired me to make this spinning dice. I found this in a box of old stuff years ago, and it's a game of some sort, but I'm not exactly sure what it is. It's got all these sort of instructions on it. Put and take. But as I say, I've no idea what it is, what the game is. So anyway, I decided I wasn't going to make one of those, but I'd just make an ordinary dice. I've got a little bit of brass left. Years ago I used to make other games out of this brass, and I had loads of it, but I can't find hardly any of it around the shop. Because normally I would have made this on the end of a long bar and just keep parting them off. But obviously I haven't got enough. This is about 30mm long, and it's about 13mm across the flats. Hexagon. I've just put a chamfer on there. It's about, I don't know, I have no idea really, probably 20 degrees or so, maybe 25, not a lot, and left a little nibble in the middle. That's going to be the point that it revolves on. And just swung the tool round the other way. I'm just going to take that nibble down so it's a point, but not a sharp point. I want a little flat on the end, which will then be radiused with a bit of sandpaper or something. Make it run better. This end is the business end that you hold on to. It's all done by eye. I suppose it's about, the top bit's about 1/4 inch, and the next bit down's about 3/8, something like that. Take it down to about 3/16 thick in the middle there, and then probably 1/4 on the end, maybe a bit more than 1/4. Maybe a bit under 3/16, 5/32 maybe. Doesn't matter, it's all by eye, just how you fancy. Now, I know a lot of you haven't got lathes, so you must be saying, oh, I can't make that. Well, it has been done in a drill press, these sort of things, especially with brass. Drill press, angle grinder, and some files. It can be done. If you haven't got number stamps to put on the sides, use a centre dot and just dot your numbers on. And that's about it, really. Ready for the numbers. I say, I've got this old set. It's quite a nice font. I don't know what it is, but it's quite nice, old looking. Line them up in the middle. Now that's the 1. Now you want to make sure you spin that over so that the 1 is directly below, because as everybody knows, the opposite sides on a dice always add up to 7, so this side's going to have the 6 on it. And just work your way around. Making sure that the opposite sides all add up to 7. One more, I think. That's it. Let's get her over and polish her up. Gets a bit hot, so I have to stop every so often. And I like to leave the polish in the numbers, then it makes them easier to see. And that's just about it, I think. Not an awful lot more I can do to that. So let's take it home and see how they run. That's the new one. That little batch was all the old ones. I've got a few left from the batch I made many years ago. As you see, they spin quite nicely. So if you're all at home playing board games in this lockdown, there's something a little bit different instead of your traditional dice. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.